hard. Get the hell out of my way, you piece of crap. No matter what I do, this thing does this. This is a different file even. Does that. And I've got this thing turned down to 50. I've set the acceleration. I've set the acceleration to like nothing. It looks like it changed. 3,000. Max deceleration 1889. No matter what I do, this is how bad this thing continues to print. I can't get it to not do that. I don't know what the hell's wrong with this stupid ass thing. None of my other printers will do this. Just this one. And it was doing it with PLA also. It's like, you tell me this thing just can't print this type of file? What do I gotta do, print a support in here? This is stupid. Can't print a circle? But why is the other one working? There's, the other side doesn't have that in there. It does have string in though. Like really, really spider webby.